If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching.
Beats. Yeah, I'm on set ready. Blessings,
Good morning. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sana. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how we get this installment, okay? So this is just a little basic installment because I have a photo shoot today. And I tried coloring this, well, just lighting the color, but I ain't had time to really let it get like light. So we just gonna work with what we have, okay? This is the Got To Be gel I'm applying to my forehead. As I apply it, I blow dry it and spray it with the bed hairspray. So I just apply as I go. And by the way, this is one of my old wigs. I just lighten a little bit because all my wigs are literally like black or blonde. Well, I have like color wigs. I do have color wigs, but I have mostly black wigs. So I try to switch this one up a little bit, okay? And I keep doing the same thing over and over till it get very tacky. So what I do is I push the lace into the gel as I go, but I do it session by session so that way I can have control over it. I don't just apply everything at once. I use the comb to push the lace into the gel. As I'm doing that, I blow dry it so the hair can be pushed into the gel instead of it just sitting there. So I use the comb, I'm pushing it as I'm blow drying it into the gel. For this hairstyle, I use the bald method, the bald cap method. That process is just long, so I try not to include it in this video, but I do have videos on my channel. I think like my first hair video, I did the whole installment where I did the bald cap method and all that. But with these videos, I just want them to be short and straight to the point. If y'all want me to do a detailed video on another wig showing how I got it to look like this, y'all can let me know. But literally, it was a black wig. I just put it in a developer and let it sit there overnight. I think I did it like 4 in the evening, and I took it out like the next day at like 11 in the morning, and it came out like this. To be honest, I wanted it lighter, but I would settle for this. But if y'all want me to do like a detailed video on how to achieve this look, let me know, okay? if you do hair and you don't have a hot comb, you are missing out, okay? Get a hot comb. It helps make your hair like super flat and laid. That's the key to get a flat hair, okay? Flat wig, get a hot comb. If you don't have a hot comb, you're missing out. And also, if you want to see a detailed video on how I curl my hair, I have a video on my channel here also. Basically, it's a beginner's video teaching you how to curl, how to turn the iron, how to flip it, and do all that stuff. So if you want to see that, go check out my old video. I also have that on there, okay? I got you guys, I promise. I think when I wear this wig again, I'm going to try to do the baby hair. I'm not really good at baby hair, but I'm going to give it a try. But in this video, I didn't do no baby hair. And I kind of regret it. But I think the next time I wear this wig, I'm going to try baby hair and see how it goes, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry guys, that's my son in the background of this video. He was asleep when I was recording this, and when he sleeps, he be everywhere, okay? So that's him in the background, still asleep when I was recording this, because I recorded this like what, 8, 9 in the morning, because I had things to do. Skin is popping. Oh, damn, my skin looks so good. I just finished curling the hair off camera and I was able to show y'all the rest. But if y'all want to see me do more hair videos, y'all let me know. I know I've been doing a lot of try on haul, but if y'all want to see more hair, whatever you want to see, let me know. Okay guys, this is teamwork makes the dream work, okay? Hey guys, this is the finished look. Everything together. If you want to see a detail on how I curl my hair, just I have a video on a look on my channel. It's like detail curling for beginners. Yeah, this is the final look. If you watched to the end, thanks for watching. Yeah, beats.